So today we are at task number 4, the installation part of Burp Suite. Well, I will use this, the operating system from which I do the task is Windows, but we'll jump in Kali Linux, delete my Burp because I have their Burp Suite installed, reinstall it with together just to see the process on Linux, because on Windows it's very easy. And we'll read this room after that. Alright, so let's jump on Linux. Alright, so we are inside Linux. Over here, I have Burp Suite Community Edition installed. Let's jump inside it and check out the version. In the meantime, we can check the version over here, which is outdated. Let me show you what we do here. This is the official website of Burp. Portswigger is the project that built Portswigger. We go to products. We have Burp Suite Community Enterprise Edition, Professional and Community. We go into the Community Edition. We go straight to downloads. Here we can see that we can choose the operating system that we want to install, that we want to download the installer. For Windows, it's just, as I said, a super easy process. You just download the Community Edition, run the executable, install it. It's just like a normal installation on Windows, but we'll go for Linux. Okay, so the last version is from 2024, right? And we have from the version from 1st of September 2023. Now, let me show you how can you download the latest version. Let's run the Burp tool. We go, actually a pop-up should appear. No, we don't see that pop-up, but no worries. We go to help, check for updates. And here we see 4th of May 2024. 4th of May 2024. If we run update now, it will update our version, but we don't want, so that's how you update Burp. But I don't want to update it. I want to delete it in order to show you how we reinstall it. We remove it from the panel that we created. Also, we have the Zap tool installed. We'll go through that because we have a total entire module on Zap as well, which is the tool created by Wasp from user share Burp Suite. We delete this. Let's jump to the terminal because it's easier. And we'll say change directory to users share Burp Suite. And here we say list. Again, we can confirm Burp Suite is there. Okay, so we have to use a command. We have to use the rf command in order to force the deletion of Burp Suite. And there you go. Now it's over for it. Burp Suite is no longer. All right, we go back, or we go up one step. From share we go to bin. Here we go for Burp Suite. We can see it over here on the terminal. Say change directory to bin. We'll say remove Burp Suite. Remove, yes. No worries. We'll say sudo remove. That's done. We also delete it from home. And just to make sure that you deleted everything, you can just place a search and say here, Burp. We have it under the trash. That's good. Okay. Okay, now let's install Burp. Let's go on Firefox. Let's say here, Portswigger. We jump to products, Community Edition of Burp Suite. Go straight to downloads. Linux 64, actually, it will automatically identify. If not, from the dropdown, just pick that up. We'll go download, Community Edition. It will download in our downloads folder. All right, we open up. Well, inside our downloads, we open the change. We say, actually, we'll go like this. This will signify our home directory, which in other words is basically like we say home and Batman. If we go like this, it's basically a shortcut for the home one. And here I say downloads. We say list. And under here we see our downloaded file. For here we say change mod X for executable of burp suite. Burp suite. Then from our current directory we run burp suite. Don't have permissions. We go like chmod plus X, and then we go for the script. We list long format for burp suite. We have executable permissions on that. And now we just say from current directory, just run this. Let's see if it works. Yes. I'll go cancel. And I'll go sudo from the current. Run it like that. Okay, cool. We go next. We go under opt burp suite community. Yes, I'm okay. Local bin. This is the, all right, yes. We also can see the version over here, current version, we good to go with that. This will run the installation process, pretty simple. On Linux, is, as you can see, is just a bit more complicated than Windows, because on Windows you're just next, and that's it. But on Linux, it's also a simple process. We just download their installation file. We give it executable permissions. Well, this is just an extra step to check it, and then we run it. Awesome. Installation finished. Now that is installed. Cool. Now we jump up here, we say burp. There you go. Burp Community Edition, burp suite. We kick this off. Community Edition starts. Yes. Terms and conditions, and there you go. We have our latest version of burp suite. This is a temporary project in memory. It will be deleted after we finish with this one. Use burp defaults. We started. Now the project. All right, there you go. Now let's do something. I want to change the theme. I want to place it a dark theme. I just say it here, dark. I want a dark theme. I'll increase the font to 15. Not that much. Let's go 13. Maybe 12. I'm good with that. Then I want to do one more thing. We go to user interface, hotkeys. Here, send to repeater, I will set it to control space. It's already assigned to issue repeater, don't care. We'll go to proxy. We'll set the interceptor on, but let's check the settings. We'll go to tools proxy. It's under the good, all right. It's under the good IP. We go over here with proxy. We'll talk about Foxy proxy, but for this check, I will just do this. Secure connection failed. We have to set a certificate. Now we have to install the burp CA certificate, install it in Firefox. We have to go to this URL. We go to proxy intercept tab and open, right? We go over here, proxy, we go open web. Here we say we paste the URL from burp suite. Welcome to burp suite community edition. We download the keep. Okay. Now we jump, we go here to settings, privacy and security, view certificates, view certifications. Here we go for import. We go to downloads. And there you go. We open this. Trust this. Okay. We go okay, and let's see what happened now. If we go on, we go to Firefox, for instance. Here is, let's open this tab because we have the settings over here. We go for proxy, we go network settings, here we go manual. All right, and here we refresh. Oh, there you go, awesome. We right click, send to repeater, and for instance we say here 2 and we go control space. Actually the from user interface hotkeys, we'll say here control R how it was, and we go again issue repeater request. This one was control space. We go apply, and now if we press, awesome, there you go, we have the shortcut to send my requests. Awesome, we did this, we installed the certificate. I don't need this one. This one can be deleted. This one also, we installed that. This one is no needed. Let's clear these things. Boom, boom, boom. Amazing. Here we also clear this. That was all set. Now let's see. Burp Suite is one of those tools that is very useful to have around, whether for web or mobile application assessments, pen testing, bug bounty hunting, or even debugging features in web app development. Here's a guide on installing Burp Suite on different platforms. Note, if you use an attack box, Burp Suite is already installed, so you can skip this step. Well, we don't want to skip this step. We actually want to read and learn what we have to do in order to work. Downloads. To download the latest version of Burp Suite for other systems, you can click this button to go to their download page, right? As you can see, Burp Suite, Burp and releases, the page where actually we can see it over here. Then for Kali Linux, Burp Suite comes pre-installed with Kali Linux. In case it is missing on your Kali installation, you can easily install it from the Kali apt repositories. Linux, Mac OS, and Windows for other operating systems. Portswigger provides dedicated installers for Burp Suite communities and Burp Suite Professional on the Burp Suite download page. Choose the operating system from the drop-down menu and then select Burp Suite Community Edition. Then click the Downloads button to initiate the download. Yes, we done that. As you can see, we choose the Community Edition, and from the operating system drop-down, we choose the correct one. The installation process. Installation Burp Suite using the appropriate method for your operating system. On Windows, run the executable files, the simplest process, while on Linux, execute the script from the terminal with or without sudo. If you choose not to use the sudo during installation on Linux, Burp Suite will be installed on your home directory. At home directory, as we talked about, Burp Suite community and the Burp Suite will not be added to your path. Basically, the addition to your path is necessary when you want to run it from the terminal. It just links to there is the place where the terminal will read your application. So basically it will work from your terminal. If you you can use it from your terminal if you add it to the path. That doesn't mean that you can't use the application by its own. The installation wizard provides clear instructions, and it is generally safe to accept the default settings. However, it is always recommended to review the installer carefully. With Burp Suite successfully installed, you can now launch the application. In the next task, we will explore the initial setup and configuration. Answer the question below. If you have chosen not to use the attack box, ensure that you have a copy of Burp Suite installed before proceeding. Well, I guess, guys, we have one. Let's go.